Hi, I'm Justin from Maths Pathway. I'm going to share with you today the first Excel trick I learned as a teacher. And it was to do with saving me time with my gradebook. You might have a system like this where you have a spreadsheet with the students' names, and after you've graded some papers or tests or something, you put the marks there. And possibly a trick you might already know is how to get a percentage out of these. We could say equals 26 out of 30 because that's the actual mark, the total number of marks there. I can turn that into a percentage and I can tidy it up by clicking a couple of buttons. Another thing you can do really easily is work out a letter grade. Provided you know which percentages translate into which letter grades, you can make a quick little table like this. So say in my school, the policy might be that any student scoring below 50% is awarded an F, and you need to get at least 95% to get an A. I can set up a table like this with the bottom numbers there, and I set these as percentages. So this isn't the number 0, it's 0%, and this isn't the number 50, it's 50% or 0.5. And then I can use the VLOOKUP function to look up this value using this table. And I'll put $ around the references for the table so that it doesn't update when I copy paste it into other cells, as I'm about to do. Column index number is the next input it takes. I'll put column number 2. Column number 1 is column B, column number 2 is column C because of the range of the table that I've selected. And I'll put in true here as the final thing, which says I'm not looking for exact match, I'm looking for an approximate match. So if it's between these values, it'll still work it out. I copy paste that down and ta-da, instant letter grades. Enjoy.